जय श्री राम दोस्तों। एसएससी मैथ कोचिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम दोस्तों आपको 1 जनवरी से लेकर के 5 जनवरी तक करंट अफेयर्स के जितने सारे क्वेश्चन होंगे हम आपको इस वीडियो में कवर कराने वाले हैं। तो चलते हैं दोस्तों। पहला क्वेश्चन है, टू प्रमोट विच प्रोडक्ट एपीडा हैज बीन सपोर्टिंग प्राइवेट इंटायर इन क्रिएटिंग नेसेसरी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। तो क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, मोरिंगा प्रोडक्ट। द promote moringa product export from India. APIDA has been supporting private entities in creating necessary infrastructure. Next question 2. Which bank has been collaborating with Salesforce to build next generation teach platform for retailing banking? तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी, यस बैंक। यस बैंक हैज बीन कोलैबोरेटेड विथ सेल्सफोर्स टू बिल्ड नेक्स्ट जनरेशन टेक प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर रिटेलिंग बैंकिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 3. At which place of the South Delhi Municipal Corporation opened its toy bank? Option number A, Najafgarh. The South Delhi Municipal Corporation opened a first of its kind toy bank in Najafgarh zone. Next question 4. By which rocket Indian satellite is to carry name of common people in space? Option number C, PSLV C-51. The Satish Dhawan satellite has set to carry the names of common people across the world to space in an effort to create awareness, generate curiosity, and to get more people fascinated about space science. Next question 5. Which country has inducted Indian submarine INS Sindhuvir into its navy? Option number A, Myanmar. The Myanmar has inducted Indian submarine INS Sindhuvir into its navy under the name UMS Maithekathu. Next question 6. The central government has removed the ban on which product export from 1st January 2021? Option number B, onion. The central government has removed the ban on onion exports from 1st January 2021. Next question 7. Which insurance company has partnered with Jammu and Kashmir government for the PM Jai Sehat? Option number A, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. The Bajaj Allianz General Insurance has partnered with Jammu and Kashmir government for the PM Jai Sehat. Next question 8. Archaeologists excavate fast food centered at which place? Option number D, Pompeii. 80 such fast food has been found at Pompeii. A fast food eatery to Pompeii has been excavated, helping to reveal dishes that were popular for the citizens of the ancient Roman city who were partial to it out. Next question 9. Who has partnered with IIT Delhi to set up design and innovation lab for rural entrepreneur 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 तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी कॉमन सर्विस सेंटर The Common Service Center has partnered with IIT Delhi to set up design and innovation lab for rural entrepreneurs. Next question 10. With which country the IAF announced first major war game involving Rafale fighter jet to take part in exercise Skyros? Option number C, France. With France, the IAF Indian Air Force announced first major war game involving Rafale fighter jets to take part in exercise Skyros. Next question 11. Which bank has partnered with RuPay to launch a payment solution in association with Pay Nearby? Option number D, RBL Bank. RuPay has partnered with the RBL Bank to launch a payment solution for Indian merchants in association with fintech company Pay Nearby. Question number 12. The Brahmaputra Amantran Abhiyan is held in which two states? Option number B, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Brahmaputra Amantran Abhiyan, a river rafting expedition, the 970 km long expedition cum public outreach program is to be held in Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Next question 13. Which state has announced the inclusion of the history of Sikh Guru in the school curriculum? Option number D, Uttar Pradesh. The Uttar Pradesh state has announced the inclusion of the history of Sikh Guru in the school curriculum. Next question 14. Which committee has been conferred with a platinum award for excellence in digital governance? तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए SCE committee. The President Ramnath Kovind has presented the Platinum Award for Excellence in Digital Governance to the E Committee of the Supreme Court of India. Next question 15. Which state has unveiled its solar power policy 2021? Option number C, Gujarat. The Gujarat state CM Vijay Rupani has unveiled Gujarat solar power policy 2021. Question number 16. In which state first rice ATM has to be set up? तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी, कर्नाटका. A rice dipping machine or a rice ATM will soon be set up in a slum in Bengaluru. Next question 17. Who has launched India's first remote monitoring system of gas turbines? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, IOCL. इसका फुल फॉर्म है क्या? द इंडियन ऑयल कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड has launched the India's first remote monitoring system of gas turbine in Hyderabad, Telangana. Question number 18. In which state the Taubal multi-purpose project was established? तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी, मणिपुर. The Taubal multi-purpose project was established in Manipur. Question number 19. BSSUKM and NKJ Biofuel partnered to set up Indian first ethanol plant under PPP मॉडल इन विच स्टेट? तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी, छत्तीसगढ़. BSSUK, a cooperative sugar mill in Chhattisgarh, has signed a pact with NKG Biofuel Ltd. to set up an ethanol production unit on a public-private partnership PPP basis. Question number 20. In which state the researcher have recovered two new species called Hedychium mechucanum and Ammonium अरुणाचलिन्स? तो कहाँ है? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, अरुणाचल प्रदेश. A researcher have discovered two new species, Hedychium mechucanum and Ammonium अरुणाचलिन्स फ्रॉम अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया. अब आपको 2 जनवरी का करंट अफेयर की ओर चलते हैं. 2 जनवरी का करंट अफेयर्स है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच स्टेट्स आपदा completion portal won a silver icon award to innovation during pandemic? Option number B, Bihar. During the pandemic, Bihar State's आपदा संपूर्ति portal has won silver icon award in innovation. Question number 2. With which country India exchanged the list of nuclear installation? ऑप्शन नंबर डी पाकिस्तान। द पाकिस्तान एंड इंडिया हैज कंडक्टेड द एनुअल प्रैक्टिस ऑफ exchanging the list of their nuclear installations under a bilateral arrangement that prohibit them from attacking each other's atom facilities. Next question 2. Which country is set to join as the 6th month of the Five Eye Intelligence Network? Option number A Japan. Japan is its way to become the 6th eye. Five Eye is a network of 5 nations: Australia, Britain, Canada, New Zealand and the US. Next question 3. Which organization, question number 4 है, which organization celebrated its 63rd foundation day on a January 2021? Option number B DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization observed 33 Foundation Day of its establishment on January 2021. 1 January 2021. Question number 5. One who has honored with Raja Mansi Tomar Award 2020. ऑप्शन नंबर बी अभिनव कला परिषद। अभिनव कला परिषद भोपाल हैज बीन ऑनर्ड विथ ए राजा mansi Tomar Award. Next question 6. Who has taken over as chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited? सेल का चेयरमैन कौन है? ऑप्शन नंबर ए सोमा मंडल. सोमा मंडल हैज टेकन एज द चेयरमैन ऑफ स्टील अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 7. As a part of Mission Sagar 3, India Nepal ship INS Kiltan has reached which country to deliver relief material? Option number B Cambodia. The Indian Nepal ship Kiltan had departed from Sihanoukville port in Colombia after delivering 15 tons of humanitarian assistance and food relief material for the flood affected people as a part of Mission Sagar 3. Which department has won the Gold Icon Award Excellence in Digital Governance Ministry? Option number A Department of Posts. The Department of Posts won the Digital India Gold Award 2020 in the category of Excellence in Digital Governance. Next question 9. Who has the author of the title Sabarimala Vijnana Kosam? Option number C K.S. Vijayanath. The governor of Kerala released the book titled Sabrimala Vijnanak Kosam, authored by K.S. Vijayanath. Next question 10. The Thoubal Multi-Purpose Project, Thoubal Dam, has been inaugurated in which city? Option number A, Imphal. The Union Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated Thoubal Multi-Purpose Project, Thoubal Dam in Imphal, Manipur through virtual mode. Next question 11. 21-year-old Reshma Mariam Roy of which state has become the youngest Panchayat President? Option number C, Kerala. At 21, Reshma Mariam Roy of Kerala becoming the youngest candidate to contest in the local body election. Next question 12. Who has successfully conducted the maiden trial of the first India generous air droppable containers SAHA by AKNG? Option number D, DRDO and ISRO. DRDO along with the Indian Navy has conducted the successfully maiden test trial of Sahayak NG, India's first indigenously designed and developed air dropped container. Next question 13. Which country has changed a word of its nation anthem? Option number A, Australia. Australia has changed a word in its national anthem. Question number 15. Question number 14. Who has recently become the richest person in Asia? Option number A, Sen. Sen has become the richest man in Asia, eclipsing Mukesh Ambani with his net worth surging from USD 17.9 billion this year to USD 77.8 billion. Question number 15. Which one has signed the contract with the MOD to provide 10L by NX U-20 fire control system? Option number C, BEL. The Ministry of Defense has signed the contract with Bharat Electronics Limited to procurement of 10L by NX U fire control system for frontline warship of Indian Navy. Next question 16. Who has been awarded the highest civilian honor, knighthood, by the Queen Elizabeth? Option number D, Lewis Hamilton. Hamilton received the knighthood as part of Queen Elizabeth's New Year's honor list? Question number 17. Who has won Eminent Engineering Award 2020 from IET? Option number D. V.K. Yadav. The chairman and CEO of Railway Board, Vinod Kumar Yadav, has been conferred with a prestigious Eminent Engineering Award for the year 2020. Question number 18. Self-propelled air defense gun missile system SPAD-GSN is system in which country? Option number D. South Korea. Self-propelled air defense gun missile system is the system of South Korea. Question number 19. Raghvendra Singh Chauhan has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the High Court of which state? Option number C. Uttarakhand. Telangana High Court Chief Justice Raghvendra Singh Chauhan has been transferred to Uttarakhand HC in Nainital. Question number 20. In association with which union ministry the Ministry of Tourism has implemented adopt a heritage scheme? Option number C. Ministry of Culture. The Ministry of Tourism implements the adopt of heritage अपनी धरोहर अपनी पहचान project in collaboration with Minister of Culture, Archaeological Survey of Indian and State UT. जनवरी 3 2020 का करेंट अफेयर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. Which state is about to bring a comprehensive transformation in health sector? Option number C. Karnataka. The Karnataka State Vision Group set up to recommend reforms in the health and medical education department has been directed to come out with a comprehensive report in the next 6 months. Question number 2. Which state has launched Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana? Option number B. Jharkhand. Jharkhand has launched the state's Avan Crop Relief Scheme Kisan Fasal Yojana. Rahat Fasal Yojana. Next question 3. Which state deployed 2 helicopters to fight wildfire in Dijukoi Valley? Option number C. Manipur. The Manipur government pressed into service 2 helicopters to help fighter jet and local volunteer extinguishing the wildfire in Dijukoi Valley located along the Nagaland-Manipur border. Question number 3. Who has become a member of IOSCO? ऑप्शन नंबर बी IFSA। इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल सर्विस सेंटर्स अथॉरिटी बिकम एसोसिएटेड member of the global lobby group IOSCO। Next question 4, the removal of duties and tax on exported product scheme will be effective from which date? Option number A 1 January 2020, taking a major step to boost export. Government has been decided to extend the benefit of the scheme for removal of duty and taxes on exported product to all export goods with effect from 1st January 2021. Next question 6. Which union territory has bagged the award for the best performing union territory in India for implementing the PMAY? Option number D Puducherry. Puducherry has bagged the award for the best performing union territory in India for implementing the PMAY. Question number 7. Which bank has issued the electoral bond as of December 2020? Option number B SBI. The State Bank of India in the 15th phase of sale has been authorized to issue the in cash electoral bondage through its 29 authorized branches. Question number 8. In which mountains butterfly trackers help lift the mystery surrounding rare butterflies? Option number B Nilgiris. A group of hobbyist butterfly trackers attempting to document and learn about its different butterfly species in the Nilgiri, Tamil Nadu, has helped expand the knowledge base of the life cycles of two rare butterfly species in the district. Next question 9. Who has released the report on trend and progress of banking in India 2020? Option number D RBI. The Reserve Bank of India released the report in trend and progress of banking in India 2020 in pursuance of provision of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Next question 10. Which country's nuclear power generation break the Soviet record? Option number B Russia. Russian nuclear power plant generate over 215.746 billion kilowatt hour of electricity in 2020, in all-time high, beating the annual record during the Soviet era. The country's sole national operating enterprise of NPPS region रो जेनर गोटम। Question number 11. Kerala become which number state has passed the resolution against farm law? Option number A. Kerala becomes fifth state to pass resolution against farm law. Question number 12. Which state has hosted the 14th Global Health Care Summit in 2021? Option number A. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh Visakhapatnam will host the prestigious 3-day 4th Global Health Care Summit organized by AAPI. Question number 20. Which Indian missile has got the approval from cabinet for export? Option number D. Akash. Cabinet has approved the export of Akash missile system to boost Indian defense export. Question number 14. Which state has registered 8% growth in GST revenue in December 2020? Option number C. Kerala. The Kerala has registered an 18% growth of goods service tax revenue in December 2020 compared to the corresponding period in 2019. Question number 15. India has launched flash flood guidance service of which countries? Option number D. All of Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal. India has launched the flash food guidance service has launched this year, the first of its kind of South Asian countries, namely India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. Question number 16. Which state government has announced green rebate for eco-friendly homes amid slew of new measure? Option number B. Kerala. The Kerala state government has announced green rebate for eco-friendly homes amid slew of new measures. Question number 17. Government has published the draft model standing orders of which sector? Option number D. All of the manufacturing sector, mini sector, service sector. The central government has published the draft model standing orders for the manufacturing sector, mining sector, and service sector. Question number 18. The government has created a new DMA in the MOD. Who is head of DMA? Option number D. Bipin Rawat. The government has created a department of military affairs in the Defense Ministry and it will be headed by newly appointed Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat. Next question 19. Which road is to be widened in Kerala? Option number डी ऑप्शन नंबर बी एस एन जंक्शन पुथोटा, द PWD रोड विंग एंड केरला रोड फंड बोर्ड have set an 18-month time frame to widen the narrow but concreted 13.40 km long 3 Punithura SN Junction Puthota corridor into a 4-lane रोड। अब हम आपको 4 जनवरी का करंट अफेयर्स की ओर ले चलते हैं। 4 जनवरी का करंट अफेयर्स है। हु हैज अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू चेयरमैन CEO एंड ऑफ रेलवे बोर्ड? ऑप्शन नंबर सी सुनीत शर्मा। The central government has appointed Sunit Sharma as a new chairman and chief executive officer of the Indian Railway. Question number 2. Sunil Kothari was passed away. He associated with which platform? Option number D. Commentator. Eminent dance scholar and critic Sunil Kathora passed away at 87. Which governing body has recently collaborated with the UNDP India to launch India's first social impact bond? Option number B PCMC पिंपरी चिंचवाड म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन recently signed of MOU with UNDP India to co-create India's first social impact bond. Question number 4. Which state cabinet has approval धर्मा स्वतंत्रता बिल 2020? ऑप्शन नंबर ए MP मध्य प्रदेश कैबिनेट अप्रूव्ड धर्मा स्वतंत्रता रिलीजियस फ्रीडम बिल 2020। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच कमिटी हैज रिकमेंडेड द नेशनल कॉमन मोबिलिटी कार्ड? ऑप्शन नंबर ए नंदन नीलकानी। द हाई लेवल कमिटी ऑफ डिपेंडिंग ऑफ डिजिटल पेमेंट CDDP अंडर द चेयरमैन ऑफ श्री नंदन नीलेकानी recommended the use of NCMC at all transit locations. Question number 6. प्रकाश उत्सव is celebrated every year commemorate the birth of which guru? Option number C Guru Nanak. प्रकाश उत्सव is celebrating every year to commemorate the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Question number 7. Government has extended the tenure of K. Sivan as chairman of which organization for a period of 1 year up January 2021? Option number D ISRO. Sivan is also the chairman of Indian Space Research Organization. The cabinet has approved the extension of census of Sivan for a period of its new year bond January 14, 2021. Question number 8. To augment electricity generation capacity in which state the ADB has signed $231 million loan. Option number C. Assam. Assam and Asian Development Bank has signed a USD 231 million loan to augment electricity generation capacity in the state of Assam. Question number 9. Which country's new rule permit drone to fly over people and the night in country? Option number D. USA. The Federation Aviation Administration of USA allow to fly over people and at night in the country. Question number 10. Who has author of the book titled Bahana Master Class? Option number B. Alfredo Kobli. Alfredo Kobli, an Italy-based author, has launched his new book Bahana Master Class for children and young audience. Question number 11. Which country has released a bill that would increase monitoring of civil society group? Option number C. Turkey. The Turkey Parliament has passed a bill that would increase the monitoring of civil society group. Question number 12. In how many states PM Modi laid the foundation stone for Lighthouse project? Option number A. 6. PM Modi laid the foundation stone for Lighthouse project in 6 states in Indore, Rajkot, Chennai, Ranchi, Agartala, Lucknow. Question number 13. Due to the storm, Bila country has generated half of the power from wind. Option number B. UK. In the wake of a storm, Bala wind power accounted for more than half of Great Britain daily generated electricity. Question number 14. Which institute has signed USD 10 million loan agreement with Indian to expand horticulture in Himachal Pradesh? Option number C. ADB, Asian Development Bank. India and the ADB has signed a USD 10 million project readiness financing to help finance piloting activity and designed and capacity building for an ensuing project. Question number 15. Which state announced that it will include the history of Sikh Guru in a school curriculum? Option number B. Uttar Pradesh. The Uttar Pradesh government has decided to include the history of Sikh Guru in the school curriculum in the state. 5 जनवरी 2021 इनका करेंट अफेयर्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Every year the World Braille Day is observed on which date? तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए 4 जनवरी. वर्ल्ड ब्रेली day is observed on January 4th every year celebrate the birth anniversary of Louis Braille? Second question, in the Indian Ocean, which country has deployed sea wing glider? Option number C, China. The China had deployed a fleet of underwater drone called Sea Wing High Glider in Indian Ocean. Third question, who is the author of the book titled Elements of Quantitative Genetics? Option number A, Astuti Sharma. The Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan released a book titled Element of Quantitative Genetics by Prof. the Dr. Astuti Sharma. Question number 4. J.S. Banerjee has been appointed as the Chief Justice of which High Court? Option number B, Madras High Court. Justice Sanjeev Banerjee, a judge of the Calcutta High Court, has been appointed as new Chief Justice of the Madras High Court. Next question 5. The first Ginger processing plant of Northeast has been built in which state? Option number B, Meghalaya. Northeast 5 ever specialized ginger processing plant at district Bhoi in Meghalaya is being revived and is likely to become functional in the beginning of 2021. Next question 6. Who has been named as Deputy Election Commission of India? Option number A, Umesh Sinha. Umesh Sinha has named as Deputy Election Commission in the Election Commission of India. Question number 7. Who is the author of the book titled Sutra निवेदनाची सूत्रा ई अनुभव? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, रूपाचरी. श्रीपाद नाइक रिलीज ए कोनकानी बुक सूत्रावेद नाची सूत्रा एक अनुभव बाय डॉक्टर रूपचरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. सावित्रीबाई फुले जयंती इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन विच डे? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 3rd January. January 3 is the birth anniversary of Savitribai Phule. Is 19th century social reforming, often considering the first female school teacher in India. Question 9. What is India's rank in the World Economic League Table 2021? Option number D. As per the report, the India stood at the rank of 6th largest economy among 195 countries in 2020 from 5th rank position in 2019. Question number 10. Who has signed MOU with De Nirmal to boost livelihood of SHG women and tribal population? Option number A, TRIFED. Trifid has signed MOU with the Nirmal Minister of Rural Development for Rural Development to foster tribal livelihood development through synergies. Question number 11. In the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, Mukesh Ambani ranked in which place? Option number 8, 12th. India's richest man Mukesh Ambani is chairman and managing director of Reliance Industries Limited, dropped down to 12 spot in Bloomberg's Billionaires Index 2021. Question number 12. Who has launched Indian first remote monitoring system for oil refinery turbine? Option number B. IOCL. Indian largest fuel retailer Indian Oil Corp has announced that has launched India's first remote monitoring system for oil refinery turbines. Oil Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated the project in Hyderabad. Question number 13. Who has become India's 67 chess grandmaster? Option number B. Leon Mendonca. Leon Mendonca picked up the norm in the last 3 months to become India's 67 grandmaster and only the second from Goa. Question number 14. India has given relief material in which cyclone affect country? Option number D. Fiji. The first consignment of relief material from India for the cyclone affected people reached Fiji. Question number 15. KVIC has unveiled which e-commerce portal to promote khadi and village industry product? Option number D. E-Khadi India. The Khadi and Village Industry Commission has unveiled an e-commerce portal ekhadiindia.com which catalogs over 50,000 products of over 500 varieties. Next question 16. Which country has begun its 2-year tenure as non-permanent member of the UN Security Council? Option number C. India. India began 2-year term as non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council along with Norway, Mexico, Israel and Kenya. Question number 17. Which application has been launched by External Affairs Minister to connect with Indian diaspora? Option number B. Global प्रवासी राहत. The External Affairs Minister has launched the Global Pravasi Rishta app to connect with the nearby 3.12 crore strong Indian diaspora across the world. Question number 18. Global Family Day is celebrated on which day? Option number A. 1st January. Global Family Day is observed every year on January 1. It is celebrated as a day of peace and sharing. Question number 19. Which country's space agency has recently approved two Sun exploration heliophysics mission? Option number C, NASA. The NASA has approved the heliophysics mission to explore the Sun and the system that drive a space weather near Earth. Question number 20. Which state government has sent professionally trained nursing to Britain? Option number A, Karnataka. An effort to create hope among job seekers, the Karnataka government has sent 100 प्रोफेशनली ट्रेनेड नर्सिंग टू ब्रिटेन। तो थैंक यू दोस्तों मेरे वीडियो का अंत तक देखने। जय श्री राम।